unhygienic practices can cause you to have infections on your own. These are what we call UTIs. Often they are what we get UTIs, or for us, vaginal infections. For example, there are people who, God, see, I must get a place where I can speak with women and we can have these conversations freely. Because now when if I come to you and we talk about this, like now I want to explain, but I don't know if you'll understand, because you know what?
But maybe a girl will understand.
But they definitely will. Yeah. So there are people who use, like, we always say, do not use scented pads, do not use scented panty liners, do not use scented anything that is scented in your
condoms.
Do not use scented, like it.
Does government have unscented condom though?
They do. People will go to the bathroom and you will wipe with a, what is this? What is this baby wipe? Like wipes.
The wipes,
yeah, they are scented. They are wipes for what do we call them? Feminine hygiene. People will take the ones that have scent. These are things that can cause an infection. Now, let's say you get your infection for men, if you're not bathing, the people don't bath. See, the biggest problem about men in the clinics is that they don't bath. Men.
Wow.
That is my experience. That is my experience. And the biggest problem is that people will come to the clinic, let me go and do this. And then you get there and you find that I can't really see the problem, because there's this other problem here that I'm trying to figure out, but there's this thing as well. So I don't know if this scent and this scent are when it's because of what. It gets really. Let me not get there.
I'm not gonna have a polite view here, but I'm gonna try to get the message across.